Ever wondered if your outlets are working correctly or safely? Hi there, this is DNZ Property Services, and today we be introducing you to a device every homeowner should have, the outlet tester. This small tool can help you identify potential wiring problems in your electrical outlets. From the living room to the kitchen, ensuring your outlets are safe is crucial. Using it is simple. Plug it in and watch the indicator lights. They'll show whether the outlet is wired correctly or if there are potential issues. From reversed wiring to open grounds, this tester is designed to catch common and potentially dangerous wiring errors. Now, here's the best part. Are you a homeowner looking to ensure the safety of your home's electrical system? For a limited time, DNZ Property Services is offering a free outlet tester to our valued customers. Stay safe and be sure of your home's electrical status. Call us or visit our website to schedule your service and claim your free outlet tester.